Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Wednesday, March 20th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Corn market very quiet as we finished about a half-cent higher, just really not getting anywhere here. It's been like watching paint dry. There's just no news out there. Same situation for the soybean market here, up a couple cents. And really just struggling to find any news information out there. It sounds like China's dragging its feet as far as trying to find a deal with the U.S. We're pushing it out to June. It's not like trade talks are going bad by any means. It's just not coming together as fast as we would like it to be. But you did see wheat complex show a really good day here. It was led by Minneapolis wheat, which typically does lead the way higher here off weather concerns in North Dakota. There's a lot of snow on the ground. Typically, you like to see the guys start in April, and really with the amount of snow and cold weather that they've had, it might be a while before they can get into the ground. We know things can change pretty drastic, especially for those with sandier soils, but for now it's looking a little bit concerning. So spring wheat up 6 1/4 cents on the day, and then finally by the end of the day you had Kansas City and Chicago wheat both follow suit, up 8 cents on the day. Meat market's big day there, locked limit higher in hog complex as you have continued African swine fever talks. You have it really in Vietnam out of control. You had South Korea show up with some pork sausage that had it in it. You had some pork trying to be smuggled into the U.S. from China. So there's just a lot of concerns. The price in China continues to rise here as they say they're going to buy pork reserves and build that. But overall, just concerning, and having this market be able to take off like this. You also broke through some resistance levels, but on the charts looking very overbought. So that's one thing to watch. And then you had the cattle market kind of follow suit as well, about $1 higher here. Feeder cattle just gaining a little bit on the live cattle, and then outside markets really quiet until the end of the day when you had crude oil be able to really jump higher, and then the Dow came back as Federal Reserve decided not to increase interest rates here, which was expected, but it's always nice to see. They say everything's going good, but they'd like to just keep it where it's at for a little bit, and so that was able to get the Dow market back up and running. Moving forward, export sales today or tomorrow, that'll be a big thing to watch for, as we really need to see China coming in and buying our beans and seeing, if they will continue to make those big sales. They have yet to really complete that 10 million metric ton purchase that they had talked about. They bought about 1.6 since they mentioned 10 million metric tons, so just waiting to see that as well. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.